Hello, hi guys, hi. How are you all, guys? I hope that every one of you are fine, doing good. Okay, so hi, how are you all? So I have got a message saying that Aman Mudgal is asking, do we need any prior experience to coding language to start with? Zero coding language. I mean, like, not at all, nothing. No code experience is required at all. Okay, so that's what is no code solution here. And any other questions, every one of you? Any other question? Please tell me in the chat right now. Jesse Obed is saying that my 100 and 500 Letsupgrade coins not received of Python and data science program. Just go and please tell it in the program support, Jesse. You should be receiving a reward from them. Hi Jitendra, how are you? I hope that you are good. And we have Manikandan there and Chakri. I mean Pengoda Chakri. Okay. And any other questions do you have? So when do we get our HTML CSS essential certified? Go and ask that in the support team, right? They will tell you the exact date. I am today as one of the instructor here. I'm no more any like Letsupgrade team member. So I am here as your faculty. So like don't ask me any question which are administrative things. Okay. Hi Logesh. Hi Shaurya. Hi Shaurya. How are you? So you will love this what I'm going to do today, and this is so I think you guys will make your own apps within 1 hour. Do you have any one of your friend who want to start with app development, and that too in 1 hour if they want to see how the hell they can develop apps without writing a single line of code, not installing anything, on the go how they can develop? So just call them today. Call your all the friends, all your classmates, everyone. As I see 83% of your students. So call your all classmates and other people. Call your every one of you guys who you know. Okay, share this thing and ask them to join. I am going to teach you in next 1 hour how to develop no code application. Okay, a no code app which can be which you guys can use it. I at Letsupgrade had developed something which we guys use every day in day out. Okay, our attendance app is fully no code, 0 lines of code has been written in that particular stuff, and I want we are going to build something without any piece of line, without a single line of code. Okay, एक लाइन कोड का नहीं लिखेंगे एंड एक पूरा ऐप बनाएंगे. ओके, वो जो तुम्हारे मोबाइल में इंस्टॉल होगा, दैट ऐप. ओके, सो इफ आई हैव टू टेल दिस थिंग, Shahid is mentioning my friend is a web developer. He used to tease me. Now I will show him who I am. Wow, amazing. I want that thing, every one of you. So, okay. So now just to give you a small introduction about myself, I am Sai Kiran. I started Letsupgrade, I think 2-3 years back. And back then it was a very tiny community over there in Chennai. Now it's a very big, 4 lakh people community all online. Okay. So that's what is Letsupgrade right now, guys. And we guys are doing amazing in terms of the number of people joining us, the number of certificates we guys are like issuing day by day and all. So many things are there, and today I will be introducing you to the futuristic thing that is no code. Okay, 0 lines of code. And that's something which is like AppSheet. Okay, now if you once you see AppSheet, you will be like, when this thing is going to take up to next level. Okay, you guys will be waiting for that. And now one more stuff. AppSheet is by Google. Okay, it's a technology which has been acquired by Google in 2020. Okay, like 2020, like 2020 last year, Google acquired AppSheet. Okay, let's start directly our code. Before starting the whole stuff, I want to let you know that what you guys are going to start. Okay, so we will be building a basic application, whatever you guys want to build. Okay, so whatever is possible, let's build a public application today. Okay, today I will show you what AppSheet is. I'll introduce you to all the components. Okay, everything. I will take you from like being zero to being actual hero in AppSheets in 2 days, today and tomorrow. That's it. that much time is required for like you being expert in AppSheets, and that's it. That's the whole part. Nothing else is required apart from that. Okay, so I hope that every one of you are super excited to take this journey along with me. So please call your all the friends and family members if they are interested in building their own apps, and let's start it. Okay, and every one of you guys who will be completing this AppSheet program will be getting certified by Letsupgrade. A unique certificate will be provided to every one of you, and at the end of the day you guys will be receiving what we say, not only a certificate but also there is a surprise. What do you think? You guys will be receiving a hard copy certificate from Letsupgrade. Okay, so all the people who will be attending their class today, they all will be receiving a hard copy certificate in their home. We will courier you your hard copy certificate. Are you guys excited? Can we go ahead now and start? Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. I mean, like 2 days, build your apps, but at the same time receive your hard copy certificate if you submit your project. Okay, if you submit your project, we will check and you guys will receive hard copy certificate from Letsupgrade. Okay, yeah, that's it, and it's totally free of cost. You don't have to pay any rupee, it's 0 rupees, and that's how, I mean, you can prove it to anyone. You can show it to your mom, dad, you can show it to your brother, sister that you guys are having a certificate from Letsupgrade. Wow, let's start. Let's call all your friends live. Let's put up a challenge right now, okay, because 138 people are watching and I'm not getting excited to teach 138 people or something. I want more people to come up and then I'll start teaching. I'm feeling like that, but let's take it. Okay, 148 it is. Can you just increase the count to like 200? Is it possible? Is it possible? Is there any courier charges? No, nothing, no courier charges. Everything is free of cost. Just attend Letsupgrade's class, submit the project, learn end to end, and we will ship your certificate free of cost to your home. And that's happening because for Ops team, they have figured out tool we are using AppSheet. Okay, it's by Google, so Google's AppSheet we will be learning in today and tomorrow. Let's start our learning. 5 minutes are already done, so I'm waiting for more people to join. So please, can you guys ask your friends and everyone to join? I want at least 200 people to join in before I start, and yeah, let's see how it goes up. I'm waiting. I don't know, I don't see much students joining in today. Is it because of Saturday, or like for this program or all the program we are starting to give certificates for this program? All the other programs we will start giving maybe much later, not now. So we guys will start giving the certificates right now for all the students who are. I got a call on my landline and someone is there, but yeah, so let's start. Okay, so let's start our whole this thing. Clear? Can we start? Can we start? I need at least 100 people saying yes, we can start. Okay, so that I can start it ASAP. So let's start. Please tell it something in the chat. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the people to say something in the chat. Not something, I mean, like, are you? Let's start. Yes or no? So please put up in the chat that let's start, sir. Okay. So I have made a PPT and all, guys, for you guys. Okay, I want to like make it as much as professional as I can today, so that's the reason I even made a PPT and all stuff. So let's take this thing. Okay, so window share, and this is the stuff. Okay, so now first and foremost thing, welcome to like this thing. I mean, like what is no code? So can you guys give me answer to like what is no code? Can you give me answer to this particular stuff? What do you mean by no code in your can you guys tell me what do you mean by no code? No code. Can you guys tell me what do you mean by can you guys tell me? I'm waiting in the chat. Just Google it out, right? Just Google it out and tell me what do you mean by no code. Okay, what do you mean by no code? Tell me in the chat. Okay, can't see. I mean, not writing a single line of code. Okay, sir, even no. I'm like, Mike Jen, don't spam the chat. And if you have any problems with certificate, reach out to Letsupgrade support team. They will help you out. Okay, so yeah, less code using. Okay, Ramakrishna is mentioning, and someone else is mentioning. Are you guys able to see my screen? Yes or no? Sure, man, you guys are not able to see my screen. Now I think you will be able to see my screen. Okay, I'm very sorry. Okay, so it's like GPT-3. Okay, no code means using all functionalities without even writing a single line of code. Okay, so are you guys able to see my screen right now? Please tell me in the chat. Okay, if you guys are able to see my screen, let's start it up. Okay, and what is no code? So no code is nothing just but a whole this thing in which you don't even have to write a single line of code. Okay, no code means it is no code. You don't have to write any single line of code. Don't write a single line of code and get your apps done. That's what no code is. No code started getting famous recently because of a few things. Let's just go Google it out. Okay, no code platforms. If you see no code platforms, there are so many no code platforms available out there. So one of them is like Webflow. You can build websites without even knowing a single line of code. The other is like these are few websites where you can see that no code app development can be done. Bubble is something which is very interesting. Okay, bubble.io. You can build very much complicated apps using Bubble. And let's Airtable is something. Okay, Coda is good. One more stuff. Landbot is again making landing page without even having a single line of code written. Okay, just drag and drop. Zapier is there. Tankable is there. Typeform is there. Okay, so these all are there, but that is something which these guys have not written. No code platforms. AppSheet. Okay, so what is AppSheet? So now this is what AppSheet is. The intelligent no code platform. Okay, so what is this thing? You don't have to write. Any one of your team can make app and automate processes. Okay, for example, you guys want to like build applications for various purposes, like you want a restaurant app and you want to have something what we say, you want to build someone registration app or any kind of app, like let us say Zomato, like even Ola. Okay, so something like Ola you want to build and you don't know how to code, but still you want to build that application, although you will not achieve that kind of what we say proficiency when you develop something with no code, but yes, it is in the development phase. This is the future, and that's the thing. This is the future and this is the future. Okay, you all have to be very much prepared for seeing no code taking the shape, and this whole stuff is by Google. Okay, you know that part? This whole thing is by Google. AppSheet.com was acquired by Google Cloud. Okay, so these guys are now very much integral part of Google Cloud. So how you guys are going to make the app? Okay, let's start understanding that part also. So how you guys will be, I bet you guys are going to love this whole thing. Okay, why? Because literally there is no if you ask me, but why am I going to love this? You don't have to write a single piece of code. So I will show you what all I have developed without writing a single piece of code. Okay, so I have developed Letsupgrade's people app. Okay, all the employees at Letsupgrade can use Letsupgrade people app without I have not written a single line of code, and you can see how the application looks like. So this is the application what we have built without writing a single piece of code. So see, I can apply leaves, I can write my attendance, I can see the team directory. For example, I want to see about Prasad Sawant, for example. Okay, so where is Prasad? Yes, Prasad Sawant. So see, that's what the profile is, and these all thing is done within 2 hours. I have 2 to 3 hours. I think I have invested 2 to 3 hours, and I was able to do this thing. Okay, see, like birthdays of the month. So this whole LU achievement. So we have a public holidays thing. See, like for example, public holiday list and all. So these all things we have developed at Letsupgrade without writing a single line of code. For example, Dashera. See, I mean how nicely this whole thing is running. Diwali. Okay, so if I go back to again like let's what we say, suggest movies, on leave today, my profile. Okay, so these all things is being developed without writing a single line of code. Are you guys interested now? And are you guys interested right now? What is the security? Everything is there. Every single stuff is possible with the help of this no code solution. So this is Letsupgrade's people app. The same way we have other applications also. working here. So everything you can develop, and as I mentioned, this was developed in like 4 hours. Okay, see, this was developed in 4 hours, and I can also use the same app on my mobile screen. Okay, so see, I have a mobile app. Okay, I hope that yes, I hope that you guys are able to see it right now. Yes or no? So see, the same app, I'm able to use it on my mobile. Okay, so I can write my attendance of today, and I can do everything with this. And see, the same way, I mean, even if I have to open someone's profile here, so see this particular person's profile and all. So if I have to do this, so see, this is the part, right? So I can develop anything which is like to do with CRUD, basically CRUD, with the help of no code. Okay, so that was what I wanted to tell you guys till now. Okay, I hope that I have clearly specified what all things you can do with no code. Okay, if you guys are like not able to see the screen properly, please make sure that you are going to you're changing your settings. Okay, changing your YouTube settings to like high. Okay, and you guys will be able to just go to like the quality and advanced and make it 720p. Okay, so you guys will be able to see it in 720. Okay, so yeah, is AppSheet free to use? Yes, it is very much free to use. So you can start with the very free pack in the very for the testing purposes and all, and also for the starter and all, where you don't have any security stuff. You can pay very less amount and you can start it. Will this be available on Play Store? Yes, you can deploy the same thing on Play Store. I will tell you how you can. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start. So how our usual apps work. So now if we have to understand about how our generally apps do work in our mobile phone. So okay, so how apps work in our mobile. Do you know that? अभी जो तुम्हारे मोबाइल में applications है, how they work, you know that? So they have 3 different layers. Okay, they have 3 different layers. One is database. Okay, the other is a API, which is a connecting tool. Okay, so to connect your database and your mobile app, like for example mobile front end. So these are the 3 major components which any app you are having on your mobile phone have. Okay, so these are the 3 major components which you have when you are using your mobile app. Okay, so database, which is sitting somewhere in data center, API to call that service and use that service. I mean, like when I say API, I'm like application programming interface. This is the mediator between what we say your mobile front end and your database. Okay, so this is the mediator. Find this API part. And you have a mobile front end where you develop this front end on either Android Studio, or in the case of like iOS, you develop it on like Swift. These days you got a modern tools like Flutter, React Native, you use that. But basically you do this whole stuff with the help of like database, API and mobile front end. Is this thing clear? If I have to give an example, what are the examples of database? Tell me. SQL is one. Okay. PL SQL is other. Okay, PSQL or like your Postgres SQL. Fine. Then afterwards you have MongoDB, Firebase, Firestore. Okay, any other Firebase. Okay, many of you guys are Firebase fans. Okay, Sybase. Okay, Cosmo DB. Yes, so these are the database. Now when you have to create an API, okay, so how you create APIs? API you create either using Node.js, either you create it with the help of like Python. In Python you have 2-3 options like Flask, Fast API. Okay, so then afterwards, how can you even create APIs? You can create via PHP, you can create with major languages. Okay, front end for Android you create it with the help of Java or Kotlin. Okay, in case of iOS you have to use SWIFT, Swift, or something which you can do for cross platform, FLUT, Flutter or React Native. Okay, so these are the things. Yes or no? Clear? Till now everything is clear? Yes or no? Please tell me in the chat. Yes or no? Yes or no? Please tell me in the chat. Hey guys, I'm waiting for your answers because I want to go ahead and take this thing, how apps work in our mobile. So this is how we have a database sitting in some place. Okay, APIs, which are the connector between mobile app and database. Okay, clear? Then afterwards you have a mobile front end, which is in Android it is Java or Kotlin, iOS it is Swift, and Flutter, React Native. Clear? Yes, every one of you. So let's just go ahead and see this part also. Okay, so now thanks. Just give me 1 minute. I need to get this thing sorted, which is I need to end your poll. End poll. Okay. Please provide these slides in description. I will provide these slides in description. Don't worry about it. Okay. So React Native is what? Android or iOS? React Native and Flutter is being for cross-platform. Okay, so you can develop cross-platform applications with the help of like Flutter and React Native. Someone was asking this question. Okay, so 86% of you guys are students and I have got 280 votes, so just be there. We will start. So I think we are here. Usually works. I haven't made you guys how AppSheet work. Now if this is the question how AppSheet works, so let's answer this. Okay, so for database, okay, for the database part, I just need to make it white. For the database part, you have something like Google Sheet. Like let's write down the same thing. Database, you have Google Sheet, Google Sheets, and you can have other things like even like you can plug and play with many other stuff. But if you see like for example the platform where it is, yes, platform. In this part, you can actually go and start capturing your data from these all places. See, so you can take the data from either your SQL servers and all, but you can use either Excel sheet or Google Sheet for that matter, and Drive, Salesforce. So these all places you can get your data from. For this whole tutorial and this whole class certification, we will be taking data from Google Sheet. Okay, so we will make a Google Sheet and then we will get the data from Google Sheet to our app. So our database is, what is our database? Our database is Google Sheet. Clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? So Google Sheet is something which we will be using. For API, we don't have anything, any such thing as API in AppSheets. For front end directly AppSheet UX, we will be using UX. Okay, so that's the part. I mean, in terms of even API and all, it is in the AppSheet data only. AppSheet data. So that's the these are the things which we are going to use right now. Is this thing clear, every one of you? So this is how easy it is. See, I mean, everything is provided inside the AppSheet. Your database is your database is Google Sheets, which we'll be using. Your API is AppSheet data. Your front end is AppSheet UX. Clear? Is this part clear? Every one of you, please tell me a small yes so that I can go ahead. Backend and all, let's build. So what do you want to build? Okay, you want to build a Zomato, or you want to build, let's not call it Zomato or something, because Zomato, I love Zomato guys because of the IPO what they have. Not only because of IPO, I've been following them from the very previous in my college days, and they are amazing people out there. So what should we create? So you guys tell me. So you want to create something like, so tell us, what do you want to create? What do you want to create? Tell me in the chat. Okay, so do you want to create a Zomato like application where you can see meals, or do you want to create a movies app where you can put up movies and see the reviews of the movie, or do you want to create something like let's see the very simple public public app. Okay, not anything customized and all. Let's work with public app right now. So okay, so what can be a public app for us right now? So what can be a public app? Public app. So public app. So tell me suggestions. Zomato, public app, boss, public app, job portal. Okay, job portal is good. This thing. My printing business apps you can create on your own. So just wait and see how you can. Okay, so Zomato. Okay, COVID information is good. I like the COVID info. And other things, a chatting app. Yes, we can make a chatting app, public chatting app. Okay, we can make it. I mean, literally I can make it right away. Then afterwards, Ola, let's build Zomato Ola that sign in feature tomorrow. Okay, let's make public apps today, which is very easy, and I will finish this class by 9 p.m. and we will also test, we will do everything. Okay, before 9 p.m. it's going to be finished. I mean, like in 20 minutes you are going to create your own app. That's the kind of stuff it is. Okay, a to-do app. Okay, to-do app is good. Chatbot is good. Exam app is okay. A blog is also good. I mean, to take considerations. Okay, so next, music app. Yes, we can create music app, but public music app kind of. Then afterwards, stock charting. Okay, other LinkedIn. Okay, food recipe. I like this food. Food menu, something like that I can write. And anything else, give me some innovative ideas, right? I mean, movie suggestions. Okay, so I will be building this whole thing before this class ends. So let's make a public app today, and tomorrow we guys will be making a dedicated user authentication app. Okay, so a radio, clothing. Okay, clothing line, fashion, clothes. Okay, something like that. Then afterwards, Instagram is good option. Instagram. Okay, so now let's wait on these things. Photo gallery is okay, fine. So I think tourist app is also very good idea, but let's start. Okay, so today let's build food menu, or that food today let's build a food menu or something like that, and tomorrow let's go ahead and build or else like we can select COVID info food menu. Okay, so and one more thing is like a public to-do app or public chatting app. We can make public chatting app if you want to make, so that is also possible. But fashion, clothes. So let's decide. Okay, let's decide upon one. So tell me something from this. Okay, you want a poll out of it, so let's make a poll out of it. Okay, so let's create a poll out of it. Movie suggestions. Okay, let's what is that? COVID info. Let's keep something very much light today, so that you guys can understand. Okay, so you guys can understand. What should we make? What should we develop? So these are the three, I think, options. Any other? Let's ask the community. WhatsApp we can do, but yes, tell me now in the chat right now. Okay, so tell me now in the chat what's the what you want to so tell me now in this. I want to do movie suggestions. I have voted for movie suggestion. So now you guys can vote for whatever you want. Okay, and in real time polls are happening. So let's see. Okay, so now important components of AppSheet, we will go there, and then afterwards we have app data design, we need to do that. Logical expressions, we need to do that. UX design, we need to do. Sharing and deployment, we need to do. And tomorrow we will be working with user auth in AppSheet. Okay, so user auth in AppSheet. Tomorrow we guys will do that. Fine, clear? Today it's for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a session at 7 p.m. in the evening, but I want to make it a morning session. If you guys are okay, then we will see. Okay, so what's this thing? Food menu is winning, so let's go ahead and start. Hey everyone, so I need more votes. If you guys only 214 votes or 217, I need more votes. Come in please, fast. Okay, so I want to see what is winning. Okay, 42%, 41, 27. Okay, so let's go with this 42%. I think that makes sense. Clear? So let's just go ahead and start developing this. End poll. Fine. So food menu. Okay. So the very first part, I will do it in a very fast manner. You don't have to, I'll explain you also. But this fast manner is nothing to do with any stuff. So we'll go one by one thing. So I'm opening sheets okay. So what I have opened Google Sheets. Okay. And I'm switching my account to my office account. Okay, I have switched my account to office account, and now I'm creating a blank sheet. What is the project which we are making? We are making what we are making? We are making what are we making? We are making a food app. Food menu. Okay, so inside food menu we need few components which we have to put. Okay, so something data properties. Okay, so we will get back to this later on, little about. So first and foremost thing, we have to name the sheet food menu. Clear? Food menu sheet. Okay, so if I have to share this sheet with you all guys, I can do it right away. So please change it to anyone with the link can view it. So I'm putting it in your I will not put it right now, I'll put it after the class. Okay, so let's wait. So this is the sheet. Okay, this is the Google sheet, right? Clear? This is a Google sheet. I'm going here in the sheet 1. I'm making it menus, like items, or like for example menu items. Fine, I'm naming it menu items. See what I have done here? I have named it menu items. Now I have to go here. Are you able to see my screen properly? Yes or no? Please tell me in the chat right now. Every one of you guys, please tell me in the chat. Are you guys able to see my screen? Yes or no properly? And are you guys with me? Are you understanding? Or am I going fast? Ninu chala fast eltunnana ka mi jasti fast jata hai ka? मैं ज़्यादा फास्ट जा रहा हूँ क्या? तमिल आई डोंट नो, कन्नड़ आई डोंट नो, गुजराती हूँ. अरे यार आई फॉरगॉट. ओके, no sir. Okay, fine. Is this yes for like am I going fast, or is this good? Keep going. Fine. So the very first part we need is a ID. Okay. So what all properties? What all? This is our database. Okay, guys. This is our menu items database. Fine. So what all properties in a food app there should be? So if at all we have to open Zomato or something. So Zomato.com. I love Zomato.com. I eat from Zomato every day in day out. Okay, so that much I love this. So let's go to some pizza this thing, and from this let's open the menu. Okay, just give me 1 minute, it's loading. Zomato sir, something is happening to you. Chala baga potunnaru. Wow, good. Okay, so I have got this Zomato website, but I don't know why the hell it is taking so time. I think there's something to do with Zomato is never like this. See, it was some issue with from my side. So let's take a meal. Okay, let's take a meal like rice. Okay, veg fried rice, for example. So what all things are there in veg fried rice? I can't open this, right? So this is the menu item, boss. See, this is the only stuff. You have an image. Okay, so can we open this image? Wow, we can use this image. That's apparently very good. So we will copy this particular screen onto our app. Okay, we will make this screen in our app. Clear? Yes or no? Excited? Every one of you, tell me in the chat right now. Are you guys excited? We will build the exact same thing in our app. Okay, you can do it hands-on simultaneously. What I'm trying to do, you can also do it. Okay, so let's make this same screen in our app. Okay, so this is the food menu app. So number one thing which we have to write is this name. Okay, so number one data type, we will write down name. The second one is like price. Okay, how much does it cost? Okay, then the third one is like what's that? Review. Stars. I mean, like we can write it like stars. Okay, and how many stars? No, let's leave that. Let's put up stars. I mean, okay, count of stars. Count of, not count of, yeah, how to write? How many people voted? So see, everything I'm writing in camel case kind of. Okay, so it will actually help you going forward. So just make sure that you're putting it like this. Okay, then afterwards, what do you want? You want the description. DSCRI PTI. Prasad Sawant bhau tu bhagat hai kare class? I'm asking Prasad Sawant. Okay, so yes, Any other data point is there which I'm leaving? See, 12 votes are there, ratings are there. Out of 5 we need to give rating. This name is there. Okay, so this description is there. Image required, right? Image is also required. So image URL. Okay, image URL. Fine. Now here it will be unique ID, UID. Okay, anything else you want to do? Anything else? Okay, so anything else you want to do? Please put me in the chat right now. Are you guys clear till here? So we have a table. Okay, we have a table with all our stuff. Now 0 1 or like 1 directly. The name, what's the name? The name is veg fried rice. I'm copying, nothing I'm doing. I'll just copy fatafat. I'll just copy these all things fastly. Okay, cost is what, 240 rupees. Stars is 4.5. And how many people voted? 12. Image URL I will get. I'll steal from Zomato. Zomato sir, I mean like ma'am, anyone who is watching this, I'm very sorry. This is done for educational purposes, so nothing to do with any competitive business. Although we are making this app fastly, but yeah. So yes, 10. We need to list how many. I mean, let's list fatafat. Okay, I will stop talking and I'll start doing. Okay, this thing. Okay, a spicy YC. एक काम करते हैं, इसको अलग टैब में निकालते हैं, इसको अलग टैब में रखते हैं, ठीक है? So this will help us. Okay, I can minimize this thing so that we can go fast pretty much. Please, please, please. Okay guys, type of food. हाँ यार, this is a vegetarian, non-vegetarian dish. What it is? I mean, you need to keep that. Na, insert one. So let's put up type. TYPE. Fine. Type. It's a veg. Okay. It is again veg. Fine. Veg Szechuan rice. Okay. So veg. It is 240 rupees. Okay. How much stars? 4 stars. And how many people voted? 20 people voted. And this is the description, so let's copy paste the description. Okay, and image we need to get, we have got the image URL also. Anything else? No, nothing. Fine. So let me just minimize a little bit so that I can see everything in one glance and I can just copy paste it ASAP. So प्रसाद सावंत भाऊ, तुम्ही का डेटा टाकण्यामध्ये हेल्प कराल आमच्या, तर सांगा चॅट मध्ये, आम्ही तुम्हाला लिंक देणार. I'm talking to Prasad in Marathi. He may be finding it very awkward to listen to my Marathi because I'm not good at Marathi. Okay, veg. What was this? What is this? Huh. Okay, so let's 4.5. Okay, then afterwards it's 9 votes and read more. Okay, this is the content. Okay guys, are you guys doing it along with me? Please tell me in the chat. How many of you are doing it along with me? Please don't get bored and leave, okay? Because it's amazing stuff. If you guys leave, then it's your loss, okay? So I mean, I still don't want you guys to leave and all, but still I'm telling you, it's your loss. If you leave right now, it's your loss. Prasad, I have shared you this sheet, okay? To Prasad. Prasad, please fill up some data here, okay? So he's one of our amazing persons at Letsupgrade. He helps me every time. So now see. Okay, we have this much data at least. We have this much data. I just need to copy this symbol. Okay, so we have this much data here. So now now what you need to do, you have to click on tools. Okay, you have to click on tools and create. Just you have to go and click here on create an app. It will take you to your app. That's it. Now see the magic. Okay. So I have just clicked upon this particular stuff. I went to tools and I just clicked on this create an app. Okay. So this particular stuff has opened up. Okay. Now you are seeing that menu items, the table. Okay. The table. If I have to delete it, I will delete it. Okay. I have deleted that table. Now I can do what, I can click on new. I'll go here. It's like, one. So see, these all places you can actually get your data from: Google, Microsoft, Dropbox. Okay, so on-premise database, Google Calendar, this open data kind of stuff. But yes, fine. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on Google. We have to use Google today, and I have to use my Office account. Allow AppSheet. Okay, so then what I have Shit man, what I've done here, I have done some mistake. Okay, so wait 1 minute, my apps, I'm going back to it. I have just, don't worry, I'll tell you what you have to do. Okay, so just give me 1 minute, I'll tell you. Okay, so we are not leaving. See, I have actually faced this issue very a lot. Where documents on sheets on Google Drive, I want to get that only, right? See, Google food menu. Okay, so you can see either you can go somewhere, I mean that way or this way. So how many, see, source ID is food menu, this is the data. Okay, this is the sheet name, and in this sheet name, menu item, you have to click on menu item and everything is there, and add this table. That's it, add this table. Clear? Yes, are you guys along with me? So if you click on view columns, you will see these many view columns are there. Okay, so I'll tell you. Okay, these columns are, see, our UID is there, our name is there, our type is there, cost is there, stars are there, how many people voted is there, description is there, image URL is there. Clear? Yes. Okay, Pakka? Are you guys along with me? I want a big loud cheer out of you guys right now. Let me just create a poll right away. Are you guys along with me? Are you guys along with me? Okay, so tell me in the chat. I want to see a lot of reactions coming in. Yes, okay, thank you. I can see 100% people are along with me. So menu item, I have just clicked upon, see, it was table. I have just went to like view columns. Okay, so view columns are there. Now this unique ID is a key. Okay, so we will go back. Okay, fine, we'll come here later on, but this is our data. Okay, this is our public data, and we will now go to UX. Okay, we will now go to UX. Click on UX. You will see here primary values as menu items. You click on this. Let's delete this part. I'll tell you how to make it. Okay, you were on data. Okay, you were on data. Now you have to click UX. In the UX, click on new view. Okay, click on new view. Name this food menu. Okay, for this data, which table or slice? What was the table inside our table? What was the table? The table was what was the table? That was menu item only, right? If you guys remember menu item, that's the table. Now what you need to do is like this is the whole tab, and okay, like I mean food menu thing in the UX. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. So now just if I have expanded this, I have some problem here. I have got a basic problem somewhere. First let me save this so that I will see some. I have saved it. I have done nothing. I have just saved it, and it should come up right now. Please come up. Yeah, it never happened with me like this. Now why the hell it is happening this time? So let's see now. For example, just give me 1 minute. Name, secondary, it is like type, summary column, stars, round image, save. Just give me 1 minute here. It is having some bugs in this. It is having some tiny little bugs. I don't know why. What's the problem? It's not saying me any problem also. Let's refresh. It is having a small issue, guys. Just sir, unable to understand. Don't worry, I'll tell you what it is. Okay, I just went to UX. What the hell it is? See, what happened to this right now? It should work. It's not working when I'm teaching to you guys. Okay, fine. Let's delete this part. Again, we will create one more time. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so I'll go to tools. I will go to create app sheet. So it is setting it up. We are setting your app. They are setting it up. Okay, so okay, so this thing is there. It should come up here. Why it is not coming up? Why is it loading? It is loading. I don't know why. It is acting weird. Just give me 1 minute. This thing is acting bit weird. Syncing the app. Security, don't require sign in. Save. It is acting weird. Best relation. Try. It is not even giving me. Okay. Unknown error. Please contact support. Wow. Oh. The user feedback option cannot be enabled for this app. Only apps that require user signing. It's fine. I mean, we don't want this thing also. Okay, we don't want user part also. It is just that. Save. Wow. It is giving some problem, guys. It doesn't work like this, right? So I don't know why the hell it is giving a problem, but yeah, it is not even telling what's the error. Okay, it is just telling that it's an error, but it is not telling what's the error. Why? AppSheet. Okay. What should we do now? Okay. So system actions. Just give me 1 minute. I'm trying to think what I can do right now. Please pause that. See, it is syncing the app, but it is not giving the app. I don't know what happened to this. Automation monitor. Okay. There is some problem. Wow. Did not load successfully. Please contact the app creator. I'm able to fetch the app definition. The app creator has paused this app and blocked all data syncs and updates. This is usually done to provide a temporary maintenance window. Please try to sync again later. Okay, thank you. So I have paused it. Actually, I have paused it so that resume paused app. Please resume it. Oh. No, Prasad is not using it. That's not the issue. Just give me 1 minute, okay? I'll create a new sheet. Prasad. I have created so many things till now. Nothing flopped. Why the hell this is like failing? I don't know. Ford app. Tools, app sheet, create an app. Please, this time work. सर जल्दी करिए कल सुबह पल्लवी निकालना है यार एक बार तो आजा भाई साहब and it is not coming up right now. I don't know, there's some problem with this. Okay guys, let's do one thing here. I mean, I was super excited to teach you this, but AppSheet is having some problem with itself. See, it is AppSheet syncing the app problem. यार ये क्या है ये ऐसा तो क्यों है? Why is it so? It was never like this before यार bro. Okay, let's do one thing guys. Okay, let's do one thing. It is like because I don't want to waste your time right now. It's like, I don't know, there is some problem from AppSheet side and it should load. Actually it is not loading. I don't know what's the issue. So let me show you the things which I have developed already and which are working. Okay, so let me show you the let's use the thing which I have developed in this. Okay, so this is our internal to-dos, or like these are few leaves and all. Okay, so we have a AppSheet thing running for our Letsupgrade people. Okay, inside Letsupgrade people, I'll show you now how to do it. Is anyone able to have success? What is this, Anshuman? I'm not able to. Okay, so now, wow, this is also giving the same error. There is some problem with AppSheets today, guys. Is it my thing today, or like is it AppSheet itself? Guys, AppSheet is down. Okay, so guys, AppSheet is actually down. On my mobile also it is giving me errors, and I don't know, it's working so weird today. Let's use some other email ID. That's a better option. So let's go and see some other email ID also. So let's use my personal email ID. If it works from that, create a new list. Okay, food app. Wow, everything is down. Food. I was super excited to build this here, and I don't know why the hell it is giving a problem. My own app is not running on my this thing, so I just need to go here. AppSheet, create an app. Okay, so I'm just trying it. Something is. Switch accounts, Google. This is one of my probably the worst class ever I have taken. I was super excited, and it's not working. ये क्या है? ये काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? आज ही इसको crash होना था. It's like my reaction is like that right now. All of you guys, I mean, like so many of you people are there, but still. Okay. ये क्या एरर है? ये क्या है?
चल गया।
ये क्या एरर है यार? ये क्या है?
नहीं, मैं चालू किया, चल गया, दिखा
नहीं यार, I mean, ये क्या एरर है?
आपसे चालू है, ये मैंने लोड किया, आ गया
मेरे में ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है ये?
पता नहीं, शायद आईडी की वजह से होगा।
नहीं रे, मेरा शायद
जिस आईडी पे और ये जिस आईडी पे।
No, it's not like that. Everything is on same ID.
मेरा आ गया।
Wow, good. So good. See, I have changed my ID, still it's not working. Okay, so I think I have done something wrong, basically. What's the issue? Okay guys, just do one thing. Let's meet tomorrow and let me solve this issue, okay, end to end, and I will solve it issue for you guys. I think there is some cache problem or something. I don't know, there is some problem, but this is not working. Okay, there is some problem. You can, yes, I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to reschedule it to tomorrow. Okay, so you guys will be there in tomorrow's session, because this is not working. I don't know why it is not working. So it's a very basic some AppSheet level error or something. I don't know why it is not working. So let's just see. I'll share you one stuff. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'll share you a link. Please try it in the chat if it is working. So see this, if this link is working right now. Yes or no for you guys. I have shared the link. So I have okay. Okay, so now this is the link, guys. You can open it up inside your this thing. Is it working for you guys? Yes or no? Please tell me in the chat. Are you guys able to use this app? Food app install. So it should. Okay, so is it working? Is this thing working for you guys in your mobile phone? So please check right now. It should work. So there is some basic problem on these stuff. It's so weird to have these kind of problems in a live class, but it's a problem from AppSheet. Okay, accept. Hey, it's working in my mobile. Okay, I hope that you can see this thing. It's actually working in my mobile. Okay, if you guys see this, okay, so I just need to make the UX proper. I think this UI console is not working properly, but I think I can do it. Still I can do it. See, let's check it out in your app. Okay, so refresh again, it refresh. You guys will, it's working for me, so it will work for you guys also. So let me share you the app link right now. So just go now and refresh. You guys should be able to get that. So this is the AppSheet stuff. Yes, it's working. Good. Okay. Wow, it works. Thank you. Okay, so now that's how a developer feels when someone says popot ho gaya, and when it is actually working and it is not working, so it actually irritates. So I hope that you can feel how I'm feeling. Okay, so yeah, thank you. So now जिन ने भी बोला पोपट हो गया, उन सब के ऊपर good thing, right? So now let's take this thing to next level. Okay, so in the UX, fine. So deck, there are like different kinds of view. I don't know why the hell this is still not working. This has some problem, and let's do one thing, right? We can do one more stuff. इसको एक और चीज़ से solve कर सकते हैं. The problem is with this. Okay, the problem is not with this thing. The problem is with that particular stuff. So let's see if this thing works. आजा भाई साहब प्लीज. हाँ, ये काम कर रहा है. So see, food. Wow, our app is working. So good ना. So चलो आगे चलते हैं अभी. ठीक है, बहुत हो गया टाइम वेस्ट. ठीक है, फाइनली we guys are on track. Yes, can we customize this? 100%, 1000% you can customize this. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, food view, the number one primary view is this. I don't want the static view, so I have not done anything. Okay, inside my data, okay, inside my data I have a food app table. Okay, so this is the table which we have here. So see, this is the particular table which we have got. Fine. So in this particular table, so there are these are particular tables. Fine. So in this table you have these all columns and all. Type is enum, cost is there, price it is. Okay, so everything they have mentioned. It's a decimal, and how many voted, this is a number, this is a description, everything. Now I just go to UX. Okay, and I just click on this particular food app. Okay, so this is the food app stuff. So see, this is what you are seeing, and there is one more view, that is statistics. I don't want the statistics, so I will delete it. Okay, it's nothing just but a view, and I save this thing. And if you just go and refresh this part, you will see that वो statistics वाला जो चीज़ है, ठीक है, वो statistics वाला चीज़ देखो गायब हो गया. So you can see that, I mean, that statistics is no more, that has gone, vanished away. Clear? So that is now particularly vanished away. Is it clear, every one of you? Is this thing clear? What is enum and all? I'll tell you. I'll explain you everything now. Okay, I don't want the assistant and all. I don't want many things from this, but still fine. So this is what egg biryani, non-veg and veg. This is how it is looking. So now what I'll do inside the food app. Okay, I don't want any kind of so basically guys, the major components of AppSheet. Okay, so the major components of AppSheet is nothing just but the data, in which you get data from a particular sheet. If you create something new, for example, if you create a sub sheet here, okay, if you are creating a sub sheet, for example, let's say you are creating something like restaurant names or something. Okay, so restaurant name, and again the ID part, name part, and let's say address. So let's create one, and let's keep I'll explain you everything, just be there. Now what was the restaurant? Let's say something like your Burger King, and address is something is the address. Now you want that restaurant also to be listed inside our app. Now what you want that particular restaurant to also be there inside your app. So what you click on new table, and in the new table, okay, so click on this thing and you will see this particular stuff, that is food app, select, okay, so food app, select restaurant name. See, now you are seeing that particular table, restaurant name. Add this table, okay. So this table is now added here. If you see the columns, these are the columns which are there, okay, inside our this particular sheet. Whatever we have, ID, name, address, these three are here. Now if you want a UX to it, so what you will do, restaurant name, and inside the restaurant name I want a view type, okay. I just need to select, okay, this is the restaurant name stuff, this is restaurant's name or something, okay, I'm just changing it, and card type, and after that I don't want any kind of sorting and all, I just want to none, just I want a list, okay, I want to show a list like this, okay. So first and foremost thing, I click on each element, okay. So the first thing what we have done, we have got the data, okay. How we have got the data? We have added in the Excel sheet. After adding it in the Excel sheet, we have just got this particular table with columns and all inside. Then we went to UX, okay, then we went to UX, clear. Inside UX you are able to see these two things, okay. One is food app. If you even don't see this, just delete it, okay. If you don't see anything like that, so just you can click on new view. Are you guys along with me? Are you guys along with me? Okay, if you how many are with me and how many of you are lost, please can you tell me right now? Okay, and I think I need to shift my this particular stuff to top or something, so this will work. How many of you are along with me, and from where should I repeat? Can I change the URL of app? 100% you can change the URL of app, okay. So is AppSheet paid or free license? Yes, AppSheet is kind of like due to COVID, I will tell you how is it free and all. So for a particular time and all, it is totally free of cost, 0 rupees. So I will tell you how you can do that part also. But if you are related to some startup and all that thing, AppSheet gives you kind of discounts and all. You have to reach out to their team and then they will provide you. So it's like that. Okay, so can we use Excel sheet to link database? 100% you can do that. So we are using currently Google Sheet so that we can do this public app. Then tomorrow we guys will be doing total what we say end-to-end user authentication based app tomorrow. So all the people who are interested in for tomorrow, you guys can join in tomorrow also. So now first step, the very first step was to create Google Sheet. The second step was to create an AppSheet thing from the Google Sheet. I hope you guys remember. You guys have to go to tools or like extensions. You guys will see it in the extension or tool somewhere. Go to AppSheet and create a app. That's what you need to do. After creating the app, okay, after creating this particular app, what you have to do is you have to go to UX, click on UX. And inside the UX, click on a view, okay. So you can name it because we have a new data. The data is, what's that data? That data is restaurant data, RESTU, okay, restaurant data. And for this data, what you will be creating, you will be using what? You will be using restaurant names, okay. You will be using restaurant name. Now, how you want these restaurant names to be, okay, how you want this restaurant name to be. So you want the restaurant names to be in, let's say table, okay, table view. So these are the different types of views which are possible in AppSheet: calendar view, deck view, table view. As you can see how they're represented, the table, gallery, details and all. So this is how it will look, okay, dashboard, form. So everyone is having a different kind of view. I'm not getting this part. I don't know why there is a problem here with my, whoa, it worked finally. Okay, so thanks a lot AppSheet for making it work. So now see this inside table view. So I have one thing, that is Burger King, for example, okay. So inside Burger King, if I want to change, the Burger King name should go on title. So how I will do it? So I'll just go ahead and in remove table, I'm like, I just want to go table view, so deck view. So deck view will look something like this, and inside this part, primary heading will be the name of the restaurant. So see, name of the restaurant. Secondary heading, I don't want anything. Okay, maybe secondary heading should be the address. Third heading, I don't want none. I just don't want anything. Okay, so if we get any image and all with the Burger King stuff, so it will also show there. For example, where is our data? Our data is here. Okay, our data is here. So I'll close rest everything. I'll close everything and I'll just use this. Okay, so Burger King images. Okay, restaurant images. For example, I just go to any image and restaurant. So open image in new tab. I copied this link and I am putting inside restaurant menu. Okay, image URL. I'm adding the data. Okay, so I'm adding this thing. So Prasad, I'm sharing you this also. Please put up some data here. Okay, so please put up some restaurant images so that it will look like good. Vashi. So if it is Burger King Vashi, so if we go back here, and now because you have changed the sheet, you need to do one step, very important step. Okay, so I have to go here, I have to click on restaurant name, that database. Okay, I need to go to data and I need to go to the database, that restaurant name database. Okay, and I need to click upon view columns. Okay, I need to click upon view columns. After clicking on view columns, I need to restructure, regenerate data. Are you sure? Yes, I want to regenerate the structure. Okay, regenerate the structure. If you do this regenerate the structure, see, you will see a image URL and all. Okay, already appeared. Okay, whatever you have entered here, so that particular stuff is inside your app sheet. Okay, that whatever you have entered here, it is inside your app sheet. And see, you are able to see that Burger King restaurant here. If you refresh this, you will see the updated view of that part. Okay, is this thing clear? Till now everything is clear, guys? Please tell me. Okay, this is Vashi. Okay, I've saved it. Okay, if I refresh, this will go ahead. Lost? How many of you are along with me? Please tell me in the chat right now, so I can work out accordingly. So how many of you are along with me? So yes or no? So are you guys along with me? Yes or no? You can build a lot of chatting apps and many things you can build. Okay, so now, okay, so we have two databases. We have created two databases. How many of you are clear till the database part? How many of you are clear till the database part? So we have created a database, that is this. Okay, that is like UID, name, type, cost, stars, how many people voted, description, images. We copied the data from Zomato and we have made it. Okay, that's what we have done. Clear? That's what we have done. Anything else apart from that, have we done it? Nothing, right? So nothing else we have done as a kind of in the database part. Okay, I'm just repeating for the people who have lost till now. Very sorry for every one of you are attending for that small mess which happened. I don't know why the hell it was an error, but now we are all back to the track. Just wait for like half an hour more, and I think you guys will be all excited to take this thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is the data. Okay, this is what the full data is. Okay, this is what the data of a particular food item is. Now I go to this I go to this particular I have created an app sheet. Step number was to put the data. Step number 2 was to like create an app sheet, and inside the app sheet we saw two different tables. Okay, we saw two different tables coming in. We have named the table number 1 food app. Inside this you are able to see these all things. Okay, and the second one is like food app is one, the second one is restaurant name. For a matter, let's only take food app. So food app has all these kind of things. Do you want to change these all details? You never want to change these all details. So what we will do, we will click upon read only. Okay, so this all will become read only. That's it. It is like read only data. Fine, I have to save it. Okay, I just have to save it, and you guys will see that this data is like this. Now I want to change the UI. ये जैसे दिख रहा है मुझे वैसे पसंद नहीं आ रहा. I want a title, I want price, I want image is there, that is good. I don't want any kind of this category. I want a sorting based upon stars, okay, ratings, okay. I want something like that. So let's start doing it. Fine. So you got the raw data. Now you have to go to UX, and inside UX, the first part is our food app. So I'll rename this food app to food menu, okay. Food items, you can name it like items, food items, okay. Then data is food apps, which we have got, okay. The view is deck view. If you change the view, see, these are the different views which are possible. Gallery view, see, gallery view, this is the gallery view. So which view are you liking? So please tell me. If you want a card view, see, this is what the card view is, okay. So please tell me which view we should use, okay. So which view we should use, please tell me in the chat. So tell me guys, I want to see which view should we use. Okay, card view or gallery view. Okay, many of the votes are coming in for like gallery. So let's start using card view. Okay, let's not use gallery and all. Let's start using a card view because you can see more details and all. Okay. So now let's just go ahead. We have to change the way things are here, okay. We have to put title, we have to like change the card. We are not liking. So we get 4 different options. One is card, very big layout. Second is card like this, okay. You can change card layout like this. Either the third is like this stuff, photo kind of, okay, in which you can have card like this, okay, or else like the list card, okay. This is one more card which is like, now each and every element you are able to see here. I am able to click each and every element, okay. So now which card would you like to have? Okay, so which card would you like to have? So first and foremost thing, so here we have to change it to, for example, this card we are using. Let's say this card we are using. So if you click on this, you will see column to show. In this column to show, we will select names. So see, now all names are appearing. In this column, I want to show the price, the cost. So see, the cost is now coming up. Okay. So if you want to use any other stuff, you can click on this accordingly. For example, you want to use photo. So you can go here, for example, image, this is image. Okay. Here also I want to show image. Okay. Here I want to go ahead and I want to show name. Here I want to go ahead and I want to show cost. Clear? See, this is how our app is looking. Okay. And I want food item first, then I want restaurant. I don't want restaurant first and food item. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll minimize this. I will, there is one option to rearrange. Okay. So where is that option? Yes, this option. Okay. When I click this part, if I go ahead, there is an option here. Okay, we'll see that option later. That's not a issue right now. So there has to be option here which tells us like rearrange and all. So yes, now if I want to keep it leftmost, okay, position. Okay, so leftmost. See, as I click on leftmost, you are able to see this on leftmost part. Okay, that's the whole thing. Till now, everyone is clear. Food items. In this food item, we have a list in the app sheet, that in the Google sheet, that is coming up like this. Okay, is everyone clear till here? Every one of you? Yes or no? Yes, every one of you are clear? Yep. Can we go ahead? Okay, so now what we need to do is, once you click upon this, your data should be like little bit nice looking. Okay, once you click upon this food item card, okay, this is your food item card. Okay, this is your food item card. This is your food item card. That was a small bug. Food item, food item, food items. Inside food items, if you click on some item, let us say Saikiran rice. Wow, who named it Saikiran rice, by the way? Okay, so someone who named it Saikiran rice. Okay, fine, TK. So now this is chicken chili garlic, for example. Now I want to like make the changes. What I'll do, I'll click, I'll just minimize this primary view. I'll go to the detailed view. Okay, I'll go to the ref views, which is there now here, ref views. I'll go here, I'll click on this, and in this also you can change. Okay, for example, I want to use a card layout. Okay, and I just did a card layout. Fine, I just did a card layout. I want to use a card layout for image URL, and header goes is like a name. Okay, this is description. Let's say this in this we are putting let's do cost. You want to show the description here, description, and then do you want to show anything here? No, I don't want to show anything, none. I don't want to show anything here, none. This is again none. Okay, so this is what you can show, okay, as a card. Then afterwards what you can do is like you can then afterwards also put up few other display parts. For example, see, UID and all are there. I don't want to show UID. Okay, so column order I just can do it, like for example name and all are done, stars are there. Okay, then also what I should show, I should show type. That's it. So see, I can restrict it. For example, if I just do refresh, that thing should go gayab. So this is what it is visible, right? I think I've not saved it, that's the reason. So if I save it, so you will see things got affected accordingly. Okay, you can do lot and what we say experiments. For example, I don't want a card layout, I can remove this and I can still survive. See this? So nothing else is showing. I mean, like, then it's not showing me name and all. I need to add, I need to show I want to see name, I want to see the cost, then I want to see the what we say description. Okay, then what else I want to see? These are the things I just want to see, these all things. And I want to first see name, then I want to see the cost, then I want to see the description, then star, then maybe like type or something before this. That's it. See, this is the whole stuff. I hope that this is a small glitch, we will solve it tomorrow probably, but we'll do it. Okay, so that's how, if you click on anything, accordingly your data is getting shown. Okay, in the stars we want a star. Okay, we don't want something like this. So what we will do, you know, we will go to our, we will save this thing first. Okay, so that we don't lose whatever we have done, and then we go to data in the food app. Okay, in the view columns. Okay, stars is like instead of these you can have ratings. So these many data types are actually possible inside AppSheet. Okay, so for example, you have click on this edit, then you can see like so many other options are there. Let's show, there should be a ratings wala stuff also. I have seen it recently somewhere. Yes, no, video URL, thumbnail, text, signature, show, ref, progress. Okay, so inside progress also there has to be decimal, standard, range, label. Let's see now what it comes up. Okay, so you have to change the way it is looking like here. For example, it's a decimal type, I want to change it to from decimal type to a stars thing. So there is a way you can do that, stars also. Okay, so it's like I think I need to do enum, and inside enum I can do button and all. So base is something you can change. Basically what I'm trying to say is like you can change this whole thing. Okay, so this is the whole part. Okay, now this is the basic, very basic app which we have done. For example, if we have got the data in restaurants, now see, you have got the restaurants data also. Okay, and you can now make sure that you're also editing the restaurants data. For example, restaurant name, and you're making it read only so that you guys don't edit it. Okay, so I am making it read only. So see, I have just made it read only. And inside the UX part, if I want to change the icon, if I want to change the icon of this restaurant, I can make it something like food. Okay, This is the food part, and now in the food items I can also change the again food something different. Fine. So let's make it this. These are the icons. Now you can save it. So see, are you guys able to see this thing in your app also? Are you guys able to see the changes in your app? Because we have an app here. If we do refresh, let's do click refresh. So see, you guys are able to see this thing. See this, these are the changes. I need good quality images and all, although that's the stuff, but I can search. I can search CHI, see CHICK, chicken. So all these which have chicken, they are only visible now. See, this much only visible. Is it working for you guys? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is it working, guys? Please tell me in the chat. I'm looking into your chat right now. I'm kind of disappointed. Yeah, like it had actually wasted a lot of time in the beginning. So I was like, shit, why the hell this much time wastage? But yeah, we guys will be creating amazing apps with the help of this. I'm super excited about this part. Now, if you want to change, the UI of the restaurant details, you can change it. Okay. For example, if I go here and if you don't want to see restaurants like this, if you want to see restaurant, for example, if I click upon map address, so I need to give proper map address so that it can show the exact map address, and even you can click upon get driving directions and all. You can do these all things with the help of AppSheet, and everything is just you have to load the data. You just have to load the data in your Excel sheet and you guys will be able to see everything. Okay, so you just have to load the data. Fine. So you just have to, I mean, are you guys loving the thing I'm showing it to you today? Yes or no? Are you guys liking this part? Yes or no? So what is this stuff? I mean, what do you think? Am I doing justice to this? Because it's amazing technology and I love this end to end, and I want to do the 1000% justice by this one particular stuff. And okay, so that's the part, I think. Okay, so here is the stuff. Okay, clear? Okay, so now why I'm going to give you an assignment. Okay, I'm going to make this sheet public. Okay, I'm going to make this sheet public. Just give me 1 minute. I'm not going to give anyone viewer access. I'm going to give every one of you viewer access, and I'm going to copy this and I'll give you a sheet in your this thing. Clear? In your chat. Fine. Just take the sheet and copy it. Make your own app sheet with that. Okay, copy this sheet and make your own app sheet like this. For example, okay, now in the UX part, I want to change the logo. Okay, I want to change the logo of this particular food app. So food icon. So I'll just go and click on food icon. Okay, so I'll just go and click on food icon and I will see I got this icon. So I'm going to make it, copy the image. Okay, I got the image URL. Going back to food thing, and inside you will see something like custom. What I've done, I've searched for a food icon. I got a food icon. I've opened it in a new tab so that I can get the link here. Now I'm going back to my app sheet, app logo, custom. Inside custom, I have to put this thing. That's it. So see, this is my food app. Is this thing clear? So launch icon, I want to change the launch icon. So I want to change it to, I can do a custom launch icon also, but I don't want to do it. Background none. Show views name and header. Yes. Show logo in the header. Yes. I want to show the logo in the header. Okay. Hide menu and search bar. No, I want menu and search bar. Okay. Style. Now I want to change the style. For example, so these are the styles which are possible. Okay. So see this, these are the styles. I want to change the color. I don't want this color. So what I'll do, I'll go to format. Let's say, I mean, inside brand only. Yes, inside brand only you can change it. But I'll go to like some color website, material UI color. For this is one of the website which I used to use. It's not there right now. Just go. I want to use this is not the website here. .com. Color palette here. Zomato. Let's go and simply do Zomato color palette. Okay, so it will give us Zomato color palette. Okay, so we have got this design stuff, and I am copying this, going back to this food thing. Okay, so I got the color. The color is right now, see, red, and I want to change the food color. Wow, got it. So if I have to change the even background color, let's do custom. No, I don't want to do custom and all, none. If I have to change this, for example, color, I can do that also with the help of like having something. So now I just have to save it. I just have to save this part. I hope that you guys are along with me. Okay, so this particular stuff is there right now at this point of time, and yeah, that's it, it's saved. If I open this thing, can we order using this? We will develop that functionality tomorrow. We will develop that functionality of ordering with the help of this app tomorrow. So that what you guys can do, you know, let's make it a kind of challenge. Okay, there are so many shops nearby you which are actually wanting themselves to go digital. There are many of the people who want to at least list their they want to have their own apps, public apps, where they can see, acha, yes, for example, let's say someone is selling tea. Okay, so they also want a small app like showcase like what all types of tea they sell nearby your home. Okay, so for them you can create this and give them a QR code which people can scan and download, and you can just, it's a 2 minutes act, like half an hour activity for you to collect that information from them and make your own Excel sheet like this, and it's free for all kind of public thing. So just make that thing. It's so easy, right? But the value which you guys will create with the help of this AppSheet and developing, it will be insane. It will be not comparable. You are helping India towards being digital. You are contributing to Sir Narendra Modi sir's vision of like digital India and developing lot of stuff. And I think you guys can do it. Okay, so that's my take on this. So if you guys are like very much loving this, what we are trying to do right now, it's very easy, and I know I messed it up in terms of like having some error on my screen, but I will do justice by this, and I'll teach you guys even tomorrow. I'll teach you very nicely. But end of the day, what I'm trying to tell is like use this, gift an app to many of the people who are nearby you. And super easy it is, and you can actually install the same thing on your mobile app. How many of you are going to do this after learning this? So please tell me in the chat right now, after learning this stuff, how many of you are going to like actually use this to develop a small app for someone nearby you? Okay, so, and gift them, like saying that take it. Yes, so we can launch this app in Google Play. Yes, you can launch it. So for that, what you need to do, you know, you need to first your food app is in not ready because data matches expected. We are having small errors. I have a like account status error. Okay, so I need to go little bit premium plan and something, but if I change my account, if I actually do it in with my other account where I have applied COVID some few stuffs and all, I'll show it to you tomorrow, which is again free of cost. You don't have to pay single rupee, but your app will be working with the help of AppSheet, which people can use. And trust me, Letsupgrade is 50 employees of Letsupgrade, all are using this AppSheets part. Clear? So that's what this thing is. So okay, Manik Jain is asking sir to make an app chatting types. Still we have to work in Excel sheet, means we can only use Excel sheet for making apps. 1000% with the help of chatting for like Excel sheet, I mean this Google sheet, right? You can still make a chatting app. It is possible. The only thing what you have to make sure is like how you are creating. Okay, so when will be recording available? Recording will be available this thing. And tell me guys, tomorrow what time do you want a class? Tomorrow what time do you want a class? Okay, what time class tomorrow you want? Okay, so let's say 11 a.m. or let's say 7 p.m. Whatever you guys are comfortable with, please tell me. But tomorrow we will sit for more than 2 hours because I want to create an app with you guys. Okay, can we add add mob in AppSheets? Yes, you can add mob in AppSheets. That's also possible, but with the help of like you need to do few customizations. That is there. But tell me guys, what time are you guys available tomorrow? So I am voting for. So I am voting for morning time, so that you guys can sit with me and for a longer duration and all. That's what I'm looking towards. But whatever time you guys are available tomorrow, so please put it in the chat so that I can also take it from there. Okay, so and please call your friends and all tomorrow guys, so that what happens even they can learn. And I'm going to start from grounds up approach. I'm going to teach you everything from the start. Okay, so nothing to worry about it. Okay, so clear. So just put up the thing. Okay, 7 p.m. is winning. It's 52% and 48% people are saying 11 a.m. So let's do this. Okay, so okay, Abhinav is saying I have coaching at how to link restaurants from this app. We will do that, Jesse, tomorrow. So just be there tomorrow. You will be doing it along with me. So yeah, that's the thing, guys. Thanks a lot for attending. Teach half on 11 a.m. and half on. Oh, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so you guys will be teaching it all together. Okay, but we will start in 1 and we will just finish it in 2 hours. Okay. So Shaurya, samajh aa raha hai aaj kuch? Can I make study app? You can make any app. You can make any kind of app with the help of this, and it's so superb. Like I mean, see, it's just super easy. So tomorrow, what is the app which we should make tomorrow? Okay, so I am going to make a Zomato end-to-end with the help of Zomato data only, a dummy Zomato data. I am going to make Zomato. Okay, so that's what I am going to do tomorrow. So where is Shaurya? Where is Shaurya Datta? Okay, have you guys understood? किसी को कुछ समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? I have got so many bugs right today. I have made all the enthusiasm lose in the middle. I have not done it like intentional or something. It was some kind of compiling problem with this thing. That's the stuff. But I'll make sure that wanted to create a society management app for my own society. Amazing. Okay, so wanted, great, yeah, great. So think about these all things, guys. It's amazing stuff. I hope that you all guys have learned something today, and you might have seen the potential of how easily you can develop something. So we have done this, see, this amazing stuff. Even I can just go here and see this Miraki classic. I can even open that image. These all things we have done just like that. I mean, we have not done a single line of. So do you guys agree with me? You don't have to write a single line of code. Okay, so UX design we have seen, app workflow we will see tomorrow. For example, all the people who are using the app right now, if I want to send a notification to you all people, I can do that. Okay, I can do that right away. I just need to like make this thing like okay, so all the people who are using the app right now, they all should be getting. Okay, so there is some basic problem with the UI which we have done right now. So let's go to UX and let's go here. It's a deck, image. Okay, name is name, address, everything is there. Okay, fine. Now I just want round images. I want full images. Okay, so I just want round images, something. So see, I just save it. Clear, done. When will we build Uber? Shaurya, you are the person who are going to build along with me. So it was your one of the project in PGP, I think. So you are going to build it along with me. Fine. Okay, guys. Thank you. Now my time to play CS:GO. All the people who want to play CS:GO along with me, Hey, you guys want to play CS:GO along with me? Please tell me in the chat. I'm like watching for you people now. So thanks a lot. So app developers are useless. No, it's not like that. Don't tell it ever. I myself is an app developer. So I'm ending the poll. Tomorrow 7 p.m. guys will meet. Okay. Is there any assignment for today? Yes, I told you. The assignment is that. The assignment is this. I gave you this code. Okay, so many people are already roaming here. You have to create your own app with your own icon, own UI. Okay, and you have to show me that in the assignment submission link. Okay, you have to give me your app sharing link. Just go to manage. Just go to deploy user stuff. Just go to user stuff and click on links. Install link or browser. Just take this browser link and send me. So where you will find your this part, where you will find your this thing. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'll open it up. So in the description you should be able to see. So in the description you should be able to. In the description, attendance form is here. Assignment submission. Okay, assignment submission is YouTube. You should be okay. Let me just create a thing right now. Okay, forms.google.com. Let me just do it right away on the go. Okay, so I'm creating an assignment submission form for you all guys. What is this app? No code. Don't you think so that we should create a assignment submission form also with the help of no code thing instead of creating a Google form? Okay, no code apps assignment. Okay, for this you need to use this particular link, copy this data and make your own app sheet for your restaurant. Name it and make a good UI with it and share the browser link in the form. Clear? So this is what you have to do. I'm making it. So for example, name, it's mandatory, and I want your email. This should be a registered email, guys. Then afterwards we need your mobile number, browser link of your app sheet. How many of you are going to make it? Just please tell me that. So that's it. So this is the part. Let's send it. Okay, so shorten the link, copy it, go to this edit button, okay. In the edit button I'm just putting it below this. Assignment submission form, save it. Okay, so here is your link. Okay, so just go ahead, do that part. I think if you even refresh in the description, you guys should be getting it. Just below the attendance form you should be having your description. Okay, so in the description it is already I have kept that thing. Yes, assignment submission form is there. Okay, so just go ahead and start building your own apps, and let's take it to next level, guys. Thanks a lot. Okay, so thanks a lot for being there, and tomorrow we will take it to next level. Chalo, bye bye, take care. Thanks a lot. I hope that you guys have understood something, and let's meet tomorrow. Let's take it to next level.